Welcome back everyone. So we are seeing a series plants in my balcony, and this is a very common fruit that we eat in summer. Summers we have pineapples, so easily available, juicy fruits, very high content of vitamin C. So this is something which is my favorite fruit, and we are going to plant it today in my living room. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to plant it in just the middle of our living rooms. Now pineapples, why they are important? Because they are loaded with a lot of nutrients. They have disease fighting antioxidants. They have an enzymes which ease digestion में help करती है. They reduces the risk of cancer. They boost immunity and they suppresses inflammation. कहीं पे भी थोड़ी सी सूजन है बॉडी में, inflammation है, it reduces that, and it is also believed to remove arthritis. So this is wonderful fruit which is available during the summer seasons in plenty to eat, and this is my consumption of a week. So we had like 3 pineapples and I didn't wanted to throw the crown. So if you see them, I have completely dried them. I have cut the crown, and this crown will be used for planting the new pineapples, and they are completely dried up. I have placed it like they are been drying for 3 to 4 days, so they have the stalk is completely dry. So what we have done, we've bought the pineapples. So there are certain steps that we need to follow. We have to buy the pineapples, we will slide off the crown, the crowns will be separated, will be stored. Then we have to remove the leaves from the stalk, whatever are the dried leaves, but be careful because there are a lot of sharp edges of the leaves. If you can see, they're like really sharp and they can tear your skin. So be careful when you are removing them because they can harm the skin. So it has to be very done carefully. And then we are going to allow the stalk to dry. That I have done. I have dried the stalk, and then we have to plant it. So what I am doing is we have to expose the lowermost part of the stalk. So what I am doing is I am taking out the leaves from the lowermost portion to expose the stalk and the root buds for the growth of roots. And just make sure that none of the remnants of pineapples are attached to your crown, otherwise they'll rot and they can create a lot of fungus around them, which won't be good for our plant. So as you can see, we have exposed quite a good portion of stalk, and what I'm going to remove this portion, this dried up portion from the stalk, and this portion, now this is the portion we wanted. This portion now we are going to put it in water, and then this is it. So I'm going to grow 3 pineapples in my living room for some time, and they look beautiful. I have one, I'll show you the bigger ones that I have grown, but this is something which is the beginning when you are trying to grow pineapple at your home. This is what you are supposed to do. And now I'm going to put it simply in a glass of water with 2 to 3 spoons of aloe vera gel. I'm not using any chemical, we go organic. So the aloe vera gel acts as a rooting hormone. So in plain glass of water, the normal tap water, not the distilled water, we have added 3 spoons of aloe vera gel, and now I have placed this pineapple stalk in the water for rooting. Okay, now after 3 weeks of putting the roots, the stalk of pineapple into the aloe water, ये पानी को मैंने हर हफ्ते चेंज किया है. आपकी मर्जी है आप एलोवेरा जेल डालना चाहते हो या नहीं, because to prevent the mosquito breeding and everything, you have to change the water weekly. See the roots that have come up. So they are brilliant. This is very good. This is after 3 weeks. इतनी अच्छी root propagation हो गई है. See the other one also. This is also quite good. So पानी के glasses में with little amount of aloe vera gel, we have propagated roots. This also I want to show that it has rotted. The roots are not there, so we would not be using it. It will be discarded. Now these two will now be used to promote the growth of pineapple in my indoors. Yes, I'm putting it indoor. I've told you earlier that this will be kept in my living room as an ornamental plant, and it will be propagated like this. We will be shifting this into planters, into the pots with a mixture of almost 20% compost, 20% sand, 20% coco peat and 40% of the soil. So this will be the proportion of the potting mix जिसमें हम pineapple लगाते हैं. This will take, now this is a plant which actually checks your patience. ये patience आपकी check करता है plant because it takes a lot of time to grow. Now this I'm going to propagate. Let me show you one pineapple plant that I have grown since last 7 months. So this is the same thing that I have done with this pineapple crown leke, stalks ki roots nikal ke. It's been 7 months and I am still waiting for my pineapple to come, but this is how you can see from this size, this small size, it has grown into this crown beauty, and a little amount of flowering stalk has also starting emerging. So it is giving me a positivity that very soon I will be having a pineapple right from my living room. This is my first attempt of growing pineapple from the crowns, and I'm waiting to eat my own pineapple, which I have grown with a lot of patience and hard work, and keeping my finger crossed. So if you like the video of growing and propagating pineapples from the crowns that we get, do like, share and subscribe, and pour in your suggestions so that we can work upon them.